Welcome to the Godfrey AI channel, your premier destination where we explore the cutting edge of artificial intelligence and its transformative applications in everyday life. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that impacts everyone from individuals to teams: how AI is revolutionizing time management and boosting productivity in profound ways. Traditional methods like the Eisenhower matrix for sorting tasks, the Pomodoro technique with 25-minute focused sprints and 5-minute breaks, and David Allen's Getting Things Done method introduced in 2001 have long guided our productivity efforts. But imagine these proven techniques supercharged by AI, which processes vast amounts of data to deliver real-time decisions, optimize your entire day, and adapt seamlessly to changes. AI directly tackles major challenges like context switching, which costs us over 23 minutes and 15 seconds to refocus according to a 2008 American Psychological Association study, decision fatigue from constant choices, and poor estimation of task durations. Humans often overestimate task times by 20 to 30% on average, as noted in Harvard Business Review studies, leading to frequent missed deadlines, scheduling conflicts, and heightened stress levels. Let's now explore the core AI applications that are transforming how we manage our time, beginning with intelligent scheduling and advanced calendar optimization techniques. Tools like Reclaim.ai, founded in 2020 and having raised $6.5 million, use sophisticated machine learning to auto-schedule tasks around your personal habits, existing meetings, and pressing deadlines, while actively defending crucial, focused time blocks. Users report saving an incredible 521 minutes per week with Reclaim.ai, according to their 2023 data, allowing for significantly more efficient use of time. Clockwise, launched in 2017 with $18 million in funding, optimizes team calendars intelligently, reducing meeting time by 32% for over 1 million users worldwide. And Motion, formerly known as Jolt, employs powerful genetic algorithms to dynamically sequence and reorder tasks, adapting fluidly to your ever-changing priorities and workflow. Next, let's examine how AI is enhancing task prioritization and automation to make your to-do list smarter and more actionable. Todoist, featuring its AI assistant Akaflow with 2022 integration, scores tasks intelligently using natural language processing based on factors like urgency, required effort, and potential impact. Sunsima combines AI-driven insights with intuitive daily planning, seamlessly integrating with over 20 popular apps to create a unified and highly efficient workflow. Trevor AI leverages your historical data to predict task durations accurately, delivering an impressive 40% improvement in estimation precision. Moving on to time tracking and behavioral insights, where AI provides a profound, data-driven understanding of our daily work habits and patterns. Rescue Time, launched back in 2007, harnesses AI to automatically categorize activities, deliver detailed weekly reports, and boost focus score by 15 to 20% for its premium users. Timely, formerly TimeTracker.ai, auto-tracks time effortlessly across all your devices with an exceptional 95% accuracy powered by machine learning algorithms. And Habitica gamifies your tasks with AI-adjusted difficulty levels, turning productivity into an engaging, fun, and rewarding experience. AI personal assistants are also revolutionizing how we handle daily communications, emails, and routine tasks with remarkable efficiency. ChatGPT plugins like the scheduler from the 2023 OpenAI store or custom GPTs can instantly generate comprehensive to-do lists directly from scanning your emails. Google Workspace's Gemini, launched in 2023, excels at summarizing meetings in real time and suggesting precise action items, thereby saving you valuable time. Advanced tools like Lindy.ai, introduced in 2023, create fully autonomous agents for email triage and management, potentially saving users over 10 hours per week. Finally, let's delve into the power of predictive analytics and forecasting, which are set to redefine time management strategies. Leveraging recurrent neural networks and LSTMs, Apps like Forecast.app can predict project timelines with an outstanding 85% accuracy rate. Studies, including a 2023 McKinsey report on generative AI, show that AI can boost overall productivity by a substantial 40%. Gartner forecasts that by 2026, 80% of enterprises will be using generative AI specifically for enhancing productivity. A 2023 Stanford study revealed that AI tools increased task completion rates by 12.2% for knowledge workers across various industries. With the average knowledge worker spending 28% of their day on email, according to Adobe's 2022 data, AI can dramatically reduce this burden by 30 to 50%. The future of time management is undeniably here, powered by cutting-edge AI, and it offers unprecedented levels of efficiency, focus, and personal achievement. So, embrace these innovative AI tools today to reclaim your precious time and unlock your full productive potential. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Godfrey AI for more cutting-edge insights into the rapidly evolving world of artificial intelligence.